Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Most people think that you need a gym, or either you need a lot of weights, you need a lot of money to invest and go to the gym so that you can have a good body. I'll show you how I did with just calisthenics. That was one hell of an intro. So pretty much my story has been the same. The typical skinny boy who just had enough courage to want to change things. And when I say I was skinny, I was extremely skinny. My weight was around 42 kgs or 45 kgs. And right now my weight is 60. So I've gained about, and my height was pretty much the same when I was in ninth grade. Okay, so I've gained around 15 kgs of, I'll say, muscle. I didn't have a gym when I was starting out, so all I had was my body weight and the ground, and I had to do something with it. तो मैंने धीरे धीरे एक्सप्लोर किया, मैंने देखा कि क्या क्या एक्सरसाइजेस मैं कर सकता हूँ घर पे, and I got a pull-up bar installed in my balcony, and that's when I fell in love with calisthenics. The idea amused me कि तुम सिर्फ अपने बॉडी वेट के साथ इतने क्रेजी स्किल्स अनलॉक कर सकते हो, इतने क्रेजी स्ट्रेंथ अनलॉक कर सकते हो. तो मुझे वो आइडिया बहुत फैसिनेटिंग लगा, दैट यू डोंट नीड to have a shit ton of money. You don't need to have like the best trainers in the world. You can do it all on your own. Okay, that's why I still love calisthenics. So I'll say that I started training properly in 10th grade. Okay, because tab tak I used to also train 8th and 9th में very consistently, but I didn't know what I was doing. I was not eating properly, ठीक है, and I didn't मैं training भी अच्छे से करता नहीं था. So I'll say around 10th I started training properly, and at the end of like 10th grade I was in decent shape. Okay, I'll show you my pictures. That was me in 10th grade, which is pretty respectable for a 16-year-old. And as you all know, मैंने फिर 11th में कम कर दिया था because of J. But then I've started again. My current split is push-pull legs, rest, upper lower, rest, and then I repeat the whole thing. And इसमें भी the main idea is कि तुम एक मूवमेंट को चूज करो, ठीक है. जैसे पुल डेज के लिए मैं पुल अप्स करता हूँ मेजरली, ठीक है, एंड वो मैं वेटेड पुल अप्स करता हूँ अभी बिकॉज normal pull-ups are easy to me. That's why I do weighted pull-ups. I'll insert a clip of me doing weighted pull-ups, okay? And you see, even though मैं heavy weights कर रहा हूँ, मैं 20 kgs के साथ pull-ups कर रहा हूँ, मेरा फॉर्म बिगड़ नहीं रहा, मेरा फॉर्म ढंग का है. And that is because form matters a lot. Okay, if you're not doing your exercise with proper form, you're likely to get injured. So make sure तुम्हारा form अच्छा है. So main idea of my training philosophy is I try to get stronger at every movement I do. ठीक है, तो अगर मैं dips कर रहा हूँ, मेरे दिमाग में ये रहेगा कि I have to get stronger over a certain period of time. ठीक है, 2 महीने में मुझे इतना weight add करना ही करना है, ठीक है. And that essentially forces my body to grow muscle, because without muscle, without getting more jagged, तुम बहुत strong नहीं बन पाओगे. If you're getting stronger, that means you are putting on muscle. I progress in weights. Okay, so right now my main movements are these weighted pull-ups, weighted dips, and a lot of other exercise. मैं तुम्हें अपना split अभी दिखा दूंगा, मेरा split कैसा दिखता है. This is my push day, that is my pull day, this is my leg day. Okay, and leg days are also split into two. One is more quad focused and one is more hamstring focused. This is my upper day. Okay, and that is my lower body day. And one thing you're also going to notice is I do a lot of work on my shoulders too, because those are my weak points. Either you progress with weights, either you progress with the reps, or either you progress with different progressions. Okay, so either if you're doing push-ups, you get too good at them. At normal push-ups, you're gonna challenge yourself and do archer push-ups. So that's the idea. Ki you keep progressing, because if you will keep progressing, that is a 100% guaranteed way of you gaining muscle. Obviously, none of this is going to work if you do not have your nutrition dialed in. ठीक है, अगर तुम अच्छा नहीं खा रहे हो तो तुम मसल नहीं गेन करोगे, अगर तुम काफ़ी नहीं खा रहे हो तो तुम मसल नहीं गेन करने वाले, ठीक है. अगर तुम प्रोटीन नहीं खा रहे हो तो तुम मसल नहीं गेन कर पाओगे. So make sure you're eating enough calories, you're eating enough protein, and you're getting enough rest. If you guys have any questions about this topic, ठीक है, मेरे ट्रेनिंग के बारे में, और तुम्हें कुछ डाउट है, feel free to comment because I'm going to be replying to every comment. Also, announcement, I'm going to be a part of the official bodybuilding team of Bits Pilani. And I didn't know कि bodybuilding team है. It was introduced this year. And जब मुझे पता चला कि bodybuilding team है, I'm like, I have to join this. Like, कुछ भी हो जाए, I have to join this, okay? And then I went for the trial and it went really well. ठीक है, the seniors were very impressed with my strength too. ऑल्सो एडिटर पुष्कर हियर. मैं पिलानी में नहीं हूँ, ठीक है. मैं दिल्ली आया था 2-3 दिन के लिए बिकॉज एक लंबा वीकेंड मिल गया था. फ्राइडे आज इंडिपेंडेंस डे है, सो हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे टू यू गाइज.